Greetings, YouTube. Beautiful mind here. We had this question that comes in from college algebra. We have several, so I'm going to try to make it short. I think I can answer these short without having to write anything down. So there was a question to just kind of explain these. And so this first one, it says we have an investment is worth 35.39 in year 0, the initial investment year. By year 3, the value has increased to 49.64. Let Y be the value of the investment in year X. Find and interpret the average rate of change. For our discussion for college algebra, average rate of change is basically find the slope, right? So we have two ordered pairs. At year 0, we're going to say 0, 35.39. That's the first ordered pair, and then the second ordered pair is going to be 3, 49.64. Right. So then in class, we had the formula for slope is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So then we basically find the slope. And so what that'll tell us is the amount, the dollar amount, it increased by a certain dollar amount every year. Let me go ahead and calculate that. Let me see. X, Y, X, Y. Hey, Google, what's 49.64 minus 35.39?
The answer is 1,425.
Hey, Google, what's the answer divided by 3?
The answer is 475.
Right? So we said the second minus the first. So it looks like it's increasing, right? So it looks like it increased by 475 per year. 475 per year. The value of investment increased by per year during these years, right? It increased by that much per year during these years, right? So basically find the slope, and then the slope is going to tell us how much it increased by each year, or how much it changed by each year. This next one says, assume it costs 25 cents to mail a letter. So this is an example of the stepwise function, the step function. I'm mixing step function with piecewise function, but basically here it says, assume it costs 25 cents to mail a letter weighing 1 ounce or less, and then 20 cents for each additional ounce or fraction of an ounce. Let me see, to mail a letter weighing 1 ounce. So 1 ounce or less, right? So if the weight is 1 ounce, it's going to cost 25 cents, right? So anything from 0 to 1, excluding, obviously if it has a 0 weight, then you're not sending anything to a degree. But anyway, if it's basically from 0 to 1, it's going to cost 25 cents. So there should be a bar with the left end of the segment is going to be an open circle. The right end is going to be filled in at through 25, right? 20 cents. And then each additional ounce or fraction of an ounce, let me see. It's going to be a bar through 25, and then each additional is going to be each additional ounce, right? So when we go to 2 ounces, anything between 1 and 2 is going to cost them 45 cents. So the first bar should be at 25, then we add 20 cents to that. So between 1 and 2, it should be 45, and then between 2 and 3, it should be 65, so on and so on. So it's a step function. You have to go through your answer choices, and you should get one that matches that discussion. And then I want to say the rest of these, let me see. It says, find a linear equation that models the number of grams produced in minutes. So again, they gave us, so for instance, it says in the lab experiment, 3 grams of acid were produced in 17 minutes and 18 grams in 45, right? So this is a set of ordered pair. You have x1, y1, we have x2, y2. So we've done several examples where we're finding the equation of a line through a pair of points. So this is just finding the equation of a line through a set of ordered pairs, right? We've done it exact same thing in class. You just switch out the numbers, all right? So list out your ordered pair, and then it's the exact same thing. And again, down here, the average rate of change, again, basically just find the slope. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let me know if that makes sense, if you have what you need. If you need more, then just let me know, and I'll go further into detail. And on that note, we're going to end the session here. And from one beautiful mind to another, enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.